Hi there, here we have the 2017 on a 67 plate Toyota RAV4. This is the 2.5 VVT-I XL 5-door auto. I'll do a video walking around the car showing you the excellent condition the car is offered in. So starting off with the front, as you can see it does have the bi-xenon headlights, front parking sensors. There is no scuffs or scratches on the front bumper. Moving on to the bonnet, as you can see they're nice and clean, so there is no chips, no dents, no scratches. So these are the 18-inch black alloys. As you can see, they have not been marked. It does also have the side steps as well, as you can see. Rushmore's have done a full service, a full mechanical check over on the vehicle, and a new 12 months MOT will also be done at point of sale. So moving on to the back of the car, as you can see it does have the reversing sensors. It does also have the reversing camera, as you can see just there. Obviously once the car is in reverse, the camera is activated. There is no scuffs or scratches on the back bumper. RAC Platinum warranty, as well as the 12 months breakdown cover, so that all comes in with the price of the car. You do also have the option to extend your warranty up to 36 months. So this is something we highly recommend at Rushmore's. Obviously more as a peace of mind than anything when buying a car like this. So as you can see, it does also have the roof rails, and it does have the privacy glass at the back. It is keyless entry, so the key is in my pocket and it allows you to enter the vehicle. So moving on inside the car now, as you can see the front passenger door, no marks. It does have the front electric windows, full leather seats, so they are the electric and memory seats. So the driver's side is memory seats. They are both heated seats, so there is the button just underneath there. I'll show you all the controls once we go over to the driver's side. So at the back now, obviously as you can see it does also have the electric rear windows, full leather seats at the back as well, and as you can see there is no tears, no marks on the leather. It does also have the Isofix, so a nice safety point for the children. So it does have the electric tailgate as well. Let's have a look at the boot space. So see it does have the parcel shelf. This can be removed as well, so this is some sort of net, obviously gives you that more, you can put more storage on here. It does have the floor mats. Alright, so let's just close this parcel shelf. Obviously you've got the parcel shelf, so more privacy, as well as the privacy glass, and then there is the button for your electric boot. So it does close by itself. So before we jump over to the driver's side and show you all the controls, let's have a look at the back seats once more. So obviously as I mentioned, there is no marks, no tears on the leather. It is pet free and smoke free, so there is no odours inside the vehicle. Right, so driver's side door, as you can see it does have the electric windows, front and back, controlled by the driver. You have your memory seats as well, so this is all your buttons for your memory seats. You press the set button to set whichever you want it, where you wanted it. Your electric seats as well, so this is for you to go forward and whatnot. There is your fuel button just here, so if you, obviously there is the button just there. I've activated it now, so once we go over to the back we'll see the cap is open. As well as keyless entry is also keyless go, so as you can see there is the power button just there, so the key can be left in your pocket and the ignition will turn on. There we go, so that's obviously that, and then that's with the ignition on as well now. It does have the lane assist as well as your electric door mirrors, which are also folding in door mirrors, so this is the button there if you wanted to fold in your mirrors. So it does have the leather multifunctional steering wheel, and it does also have your cruise control just there. It does have the trip computer on board as well. So as you can see there, trip computer. So let's go on to the phone first. So you can connect your phone. If there is any phone calls coming through as you're driving, you can answer them on the steering wheel. So it does have the hands-free radio. So you do also have your radio. So let's go on to your source. So you have the AM, FM, DAB radio. You have the aux and USB inputs as well as the Bluetooth audio. So with the Bluetooth audio, if once the phone is connected through Bluetooth, you can play your music through YouTube, Spotify, you name it, it can be done. Just down here, obviously, we have your climate control. So it does have the dual climate control on board as well. And then down there, we have obviously the heated seats. So your heated seats, so that's front passenger, and then obviously driver side. You have your USB and aux input as well. And you can close it here as well. And then obviously that's your 12 volts in here. So all nice and simple. Eco mode, sport, and then obviously EV mode as well. So you have your drive select. So obviously if we was to press on that, that's all electric driving. One thing I need to show you as well, so I need to start the car, and I'm going to show you the rear camera as I've mentioned. There we go. So obviously the car is now in reverse. So as you can see, it does have the reversing camera. So I put it back in park, and that's it, nice and simple. Front armrest, seats are nice and comfortable, and it is nice and clean inside the vehicle, as you can see. Okay, you've seen the excellent condition of the exterior and interior of the car. If there is any further questions or you need finance arranging, then no problem at all. Once you come down here, we can, or even over the phone, we can do the application together, and we can answer your calls. Alright, thanks for watching.